Now, we are transitioning into one of the most personal and direct forms of digital communication today: WhatsApp marketing. While email is fantastic for professional sequences and metrics, WhatsApp allows brands to meet customers where they already spend most of their time, offering an unparalleled level of immediacy and engagement. As we move through this introduction, we will explore how businesses can leverage this platform to provide instant customer support, send personalized updates, and build more intimate, conversational relationships with their audience. Unlike traditional marketing channels, WhatsApp boasts incredibly high open rates because the messages land right next to conversations with friends and family. Moving into our next core module, we are exploring the practical applications of WhatsApp marketing. As outlined on the slide, WhatsApp is a versatile tool used to directly communicate with customers, promote products or services, and provide real-time support. Beyond just a chat app, it serves as a powerful engine to generate leads and conversions by engaging users in the spaces where they are most comfortable. However, the most critical takeaway from this slide is that WhatsApp is a permission-based marketing channel. This means that unlike some broad-reach platforms, you must have the user's explicit consent to contact them, ensuring that your marketing remains a welcome service rather than an intrusive interruption. By respecting this boundary, brands can build incredible trust and maintain much higher engagement rates than traditional outreach methods. To wrap up our section on mobile engagement, let's look at exactly why WhatsApp marketing is considered such a powerhouse in the current digital landscape. As you can see from our data, the most staggering figure is the 90% plus message open rate, which absolutely dwarfs traditional email benchmarks and ensures your content is actually being seen. This platform excels because it facilitates direct and personal communication, allowing for instant responses that build immediate rapport with your leads. Because the interaction feels more like a conversation than a sales pitch, businesses often see a significantly high conversion rate compared to other channels. Perhaps best of all for growing brands, it is a low-cost solution that provides a direct line to your audience without the heavy ad spend required by social media feeds. When you combine that incredible visibility with the personal nature of the app, you have a recipe for driving real, measurable action from your customers. When setting up your digital presence, the first decision you'll face is choosing the right communication channel, and for most of us, that starts with understanding the shift from WhatsApp to WhatsApp Business. As you can see on the screen, while the standard WhatsApp app is perfect for personal use and chatting with friends, it lacks the infrastructure needed to scale a professional brand. WhatsApp Business is specifically designed to bridge that gap by offering tools that save you time and increase your credibility. For instance, instead of just a name and a status, you get a full business profile where you can list your hours, website, and location, providing immediate value to your customers. Beyond just looking professional, the real power lies in the automation options and labels shown here. While personal WhatsApp requires a manual response for every single query, the business version allows you to set up away messages and quick replies, ensuring no lead is left hanging. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we are diving into the powerhouse of customer engagement, WhatsApp Business. As you can see on the slide, there are 5 essential features that transform a simple messaging app into a robust professional tool. First, we have the greeting message, which serves as your digital handshake, instantly welcoming new customers and setting a positive tone for the relationship. Next are quick replies, a massive time saver that allows you to store and reuse answers to frequently asked questions with just a few keystrokes. We also have the away message, which is crucial for managing expectations by letting customers know exactly when you'll be back online so they never feel ignored. Then there is the catalog, arguably the most visual part of the toolkit. It acts as your mobile storefront where you can showcase products and services directly within the chat, making the path to purchase seamless. Welcome to today's module on direct-to-consumer communication. Take a look at the slide. We are diving into WhatsApp broadcasts, one of the most effective, hidden, tools for high-conversion marketing. Unlike a group chat where everyone sees each other's numbers and replies, a broadcast sends your message to many users individually. This is a game-changer for digital marketers because when the customer receives your update, it appears as a personal, one-on-one message in their private chat list. This lack of group noise creates a sense of exclusivity and intimacy, leading to much higher open rates than traditional email. Any reply the customer sends comes directly back to you privately, allowing for a seamless transition into a sales consultation or customer support flow. To maximize this, you can integrate your product catalog and set away messages to manage expectations 24/7. Moving on to our next module, let's explore the strategic use of WhatsApp groups in your digital marketing framework. Unlike the broadcast method we previously discussed, a WhatsApp group facilitates a one-to-many conversation where all members are visible to one another. This transparency is the cornerstone of community building, as it allows your customers to interact not just with your brand, but with each other, fostering a sense of belonging and shared interest. From a marketing perspective, groups are the ideal environment for active discussions and real-time feedback, making them highly effective for managing training batches or exclusive VIP cohorts where collaborative learning is key. Now that we understand how to reach our audience, let's talk about staying organized with labels and customer segmentation. In digital marketing, sending the same message to everyone is a recipe for being blocked. True success comes from sending the right message to the right person. As you can see on the slide, labels are a powerful tool to help you organize and categorize your contacts so you never lose track of a potential sale. By segmenting your audience, you can differentiate between a new lead who needs an introduction to your brand, a follow-up who might need a gentle nudge, and a paid customer who deserves a thank you note or a special loyalty offer. You can even track which marketing channels are working by labeling users who came from your video ads, or save time by identifying those who are marked as not interested. Understanding the why behind our strategy is just as important as the how, so let's discuss why customer segmentation is a non-negotiable pillar of digital marketing. As the slide illustrates, the core objective of segmentation is to ensure we are delivering the right message to the right person at exactly the right time. When we stop sending generic blasts and start sending targeted content, we drastically avoid spam complaints, which protects our brand reputation and phone number health. This precision leads directly to higher conversion rates because the information is actually relevant to the recipient's current needs. Ultimately, segmentation creates a better customer experience. Your audience feels understood rather than marketed to. By utilizing the labels we discussed, such as categorizing new leads, paid customers, or repeat customers, you transform a messy list of contacts into a structured funnel. To wrap up our session, let's look at how all these elements come together to create a high-converting WhatsApp marketing funnel. As shown on the slide, the journey begins when a potential customer clicks on your WhatsApp ad or link, which immediately initiates the conversation. The moment they land in your chat, your first task is to label the user based on their intent so you can track their progress through the funnel. Next, you present a clear call to action, CTA, followed by an automated greeting message that acknowledges their interest and sets the professional tone for the relationship. From there, the magic happens in the nurture phase, where you send targeted messages, using the segmentation and broadcast strategies we've discussed, to build trust and provide value. To scale the strategies we have discussed today, we must leverage professional automation and tools that move us beyond manual messaging. As you can see on the slide, the foundation for high-level automation is the WhatsApp Business API, which allows for much larger volumes and more complex workflows than the standard app. To integrate this into your existing systems, tools like Twilio provide the robust infrastructure needed for global messaging, while platforms like Interact and WATI offer user-friendly interfaces for managing shared team inboxes and automated campaign replies. Furthermore, integrating your WhatsApp flow with a CRM like Zoho ensures that every interaction is logged and tracked across your entire sales organization. Now let's look at the entry point of our digital funnel. Click to WhatsApp marketing. The goal here is to remove as much friction as possible between seeing an ad and starting a conversation. As shown on the slide, this involves using ads or links that directly open a WhatsApp chat the moment a user interacts with them. This strategy is incredibly versatile. You can deploy it through Facebook and Instagram ads, embed website buttons for instant support, or even use Google Ads to capture high-intent search traffic. By driving users straight into a personal chat interface, you bypass the traditional landing page where leads are often lost. Now that we've explored the creative side of Reels and image ads, we must shift our focus to the engine that drives every successful digital marketing campaign: data and measurement. As you can see on the slide, there are 4 key metrics you must track to determine if your strategy is actually working. First, we look at message delivered, which confirms that our content is successfully reaching our target audience's devices. Next, we monitor the read rate and response rate. These are critical indicators of how compelling your creative hook and copy truly are, as they measure how many people are actually consuming the message and taking that first step to engage or reply.